Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of unboxing and assembling this great ride-on truck here. As you can see, it comes with 4 little cones. You have your remote control for safety. You have this lever here that as you pull this down and up, well, let me turn this on. First of all, you gotta turn it on right here. And look at that, this is so cool. This is amazing. It's right here, operated from here. So this is gonna be a quick video assembling instructions on everything, on how to put this together. It comes with a yellow hat as well. Has front lights, has side lights. There are some lights right here. It's hard to see right now, but at night this is so cool. Both lights here on the front works as well. Like I mentioned, you can operate the lever there and dump your stuff. This is such a nice car, so I hope that you liked. And later on there will be a full review of this with my kids playing with it. So stay tuned and thank you very much for watching. Bye. Hello YouTube. Here we have another ride-on truck, and this is so cool. Look at the design of it. It's a 2-seater dump truck, very powered, forward, reverse. Some of item number, some specification. The color is blue and red. It's gonna be very exciting. So let's get straight to it. The easiest way I always find to get large items out of the box is really just pull the box like this, and you have access to everything right away. Lots of parts. So we'll remove everything from the box and we will start to put this together. Looks like there is a lot of assembly required, but we'll follow the manual as soon as I find where the manual is. Coming a little bit closer here, I already see. Here's the battery, here's the control board, here's where you have all the motions. Nice tires. This is probably the remote control. Comes with tools for your kid to have a lot of fun. And I will find where, oh look at that, the display. This is going to be so fun. Look, up and down. Wow, I'm impressed so far. I did find the manual right here. Lots of pages. I don't know if it's different languages. Seems like everything here is in English. You have the exploded wheel. I will follow the manual as I'm putting this together because as you can see down there, there are a lot of parts, but I think it's gonna be a easy process. Let's start. First step here is to attach the front axle. So let's flip. Let me get these parts out of the way. All the hardware is right here. I'm gonna dump everything in the ground. I believe every tool you need is gonna be right here. So let's start. Front axle is gonna be this one. Has the 2 motors, one in each corner. It goes like this. Make sure you have the steering also clear. Don't forget to get your other washer before getting the pins in place. Washer in, and then you press the pin. It is pretty hot, but we'll get this done. So this motor is gonna be on the back. The motor is right here. So let's connect the connectors right here. 1 and 2. there is a difference in the tires. This one's rears. This one's front. Just like so. Get this spacer out. Goes right here. Then you got the spacer back on. The washer and the nuts. The rear, it's also pretty simple. You have this long bar. Goes right through here. There is no secret. Like so. I think that's how it goes. Tire. A spacer. The nut and the bolt. Okay, spacer going. Nut. Getting there. We are getting there. Alright, I think this is good enough. You need two because you gotta lock in place this one, then tie from the other side. From our assembly here. Now we gotta do this. This cap goes right here. Get the wires all to be stuck in there. Okay, now we have all the four wheels done. Let's flip the car and start assembling the front. Looks like this part just clicks in place. Nice. It came out really good. There's a cap go. I think this is it. There you go. Clicks in place. Let's bolt this on. Now let's put together the windshield. This one. Clicks in place right here. Get my screws. Now we have this top cover here. Goes right here. It clicks in place. And this goes one in each side. Looks like a good, nice truck. Now it's time to install the steering wheel. You can have batteries here for the horn. Press and click. Now I have a steering, looks good. I'm gonna install this. Attach the seats. This goes here and here. Now it's time to assemble the seats. You need to screw this in place. I'm only using the tools provided. No additional tools required so far. Much longer screws, which makes sense. make a solid connection. Before putting the seat in place, you need to connect these big connectors here. Connectors, seats, then let's bolt the seats on. Now let's assemble this piece. Align the holes. And then you have 6 screws for each side. Lots of screws here. Once you finish with all of these screws, ready to move on to install this right here. You gotta flip it over. And install this metal part. This is what's gonna lock. Goes right here. 4 screws. Again, just using the screwdriver. Power tool here would be a big help. Okay, now we're ready to assemble. Align this. We are almost there. Done this, done this. Look how many screws it goes there. Then this is the last piece. And we should be ready to go. I just finished the build. Took me 45 minutes or so. I thought it would be a lot easier. Quite tired. That's where you turn it on. That's where you say high, low, backwards. And we'll have a couple of fun. This is where you control the movement. We'll have a full review of this coming up soon. This is just really the build. And everything went well. Nothing really hard to do at all. It's a nice truck. Really cool design. Red and blue. I think my kid will have a lot of fun. Can go from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. High, low, backwards. Like I said, you have the movement here. Horn, which I didn't add the battery yet. And for sure you have the controller and the charger. And a nice cap. Construction can begin. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Felipe Zafani. As you can see, I'm pretty tired. This wasn't hard at all, but it is very hot here. And we got it done. Thank you very much. Bye now.